Good morning, dear students. My name is Mohit and I'm your mathematics teacher.
Good morning, students. Today, our topic is ratio and proportion. So, let's get started. First of all, what is ratio? A ratio tells us about how many times the first quantity contains the second quantity. For example, if I say that this is the number 2 ratio 3, it means it tells us how many times the first quantity contains the second quantity. The concept of ratio is used by cooks when following recipes, for example, while making dough of bread, or baker generally mix 5 parts of flour with 3 parts of water. So what will be the ratio of that? That is 5 ratio 3. Means if I use 5 part of flour, I will use 3 parts of water, and if I use 10 parts of flour, it means I will use same, say 6 part of water. So this is how we compare the two quantities or more than two quantities in ratio. So let's start with the new concept, ratio and proportion. So the first is, how is to be read? It is read as A is to B. Now the first quantity which are written are known as antecedent, and the second quantity is known as consequent. So the ratio of two values are known as ratio of antecedent and its consequent. So the ratio between these two quantities. Now let's take an example. If I take an example like, find the ratio of 50 meters to 120 meters. What it means? We can write this value as 50 meters ratio 120 meters. Now it will become 50 meters upon 120 meters, because we can write the ratio as in the form of fraction. Now this meter will cut down and the 0 will also. So it will have become 5 upon 12. So the final ratio between these two quantities will become 5 ratio 12, and this is the answer. So this is the concept of ratio. Now let's take another example. If I say find the ratio between 40 centimeters to 5 meters. So before solving these two values, we should confirm first thing that the unit of the quantities should be same. If not, then we have to make the unit same first. So first step, we can write that 40 centimeter ratio of 5 meters. But first of all, we will write it as 40 centimeter by 5 meters. Then we know that in 1 meter there is 100 centimeters. So in 5 meters there will be 500 centimeters. So I will write it 40 centimeters upon 500 centimeters. Now because the units are same, so we can cut these units and this 4. So we will have now 4 by 50. Now we can cut with this the same number, that is 2 2s are 4 and 2 25s are 50. So this will become 2 upon 25 and can be written as 2 is to 25. So this is the ratio between two quantities 40 and 5. I hope you understood. Now in the next video we will study more concept about ratio and proportion. Till then, take care.